Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am beat, but we came home and the UPS, I guess, was it UPS?
FedEx, I believe, is
FedEx pulled in the driveway, yeah, FedEx, with a package I have been anticipating. It is two. It is two. 4th of July, what am I gonna do here? Let's see. 4th of July, I asked Darren, I had been looking at the American Girl sales online, and I had narrowed it down to 4, and I told Darren who they were, and I said, get me one, please. Actually, I said, would you get me one? And he did. And then he got me another one.
Well, you were homesick on 4th of July.
I was really sick 4th of July. While
Ryan
you were
and I
out,
went out celebrating 4th of July.
he and his son went to parades and all kinds of. Poor me.
Poor Marna.
I deserve to.
Don't look there.
Okay. Who are they? Okay, one is Disney. Maybe one is not. Oh, it is Anna. I had a feeling.
Little brat.
Oh, I love it. Let's pull this open. Oh, isn't she cute? I just got her the other day. That's why she's going to share the stage with them. Oh, I love her. I'm not crazy about this outfit. I mean, it's cute enough. Mostly for a child. I like Frozen. It's not a big thing to me. I can see her. She's so pretty, and I love red hair. I love red hair. I can see her in jeans and a cute top, and I was kind of thinking maybe a vest to mimic this. I don't know. It's because it's got this embroidery, but that's kind of what I was thinking.
Let me tell you why I picked it. I picked it, if it had the white streak in the hair, I probably wouldn't have.
Exactly. I wouldn't either.
Because you wouldn't have been able to reuse it
Right.
for something else.
Yep.
And I actually thought the outfit in the pictures looked nicer than this. And of the ones that you had, it looked like more of a more detailed outfit. And I thought that would be nice. How are the shoes?
So the boots are very cute.
Okay.
Very cute. So she might keep those. That'd be cute with jeans. All right, let's set her
And
there.
she was a redhead, like you said. I
I
knew
love
you
redhead.
like to do things
Oh,
with redheads.
you got me summer because it's summer. Oh, how cute. I had said I would like summer. Well, actually, that was kind of my first pick, but I was still iffy on it. So summer, Anna, Elsa, and another Moana.
I discarded Moana because you had that
I
already.
do have
and I
her.
knew that it was a cute mold and you liked it, but it's
Yep.
hard to.
Oh, she's just adorable. I'm going to pull her out real quick. Anna, I'm not going to take out just yet. No other reason except I'm not feeling good today, and there's just no reason to. But this one, I'm pulling her out. Uh-oh. Oh, her hands are.
And I got the second one because you were feeling bad, and I'm feeling sorry for you. And
Thanks.
More-
Oh, it feels
and more
so
than
bad.
anything, it was with just the one, it was $18 shipping, but you needed $50 more to get free shipping, and this one was the cheaper of
Well,
the three left.
far out. See their salesmanship work.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, damn, but you know what the hell? Because it was only going to be like
Isn't
$40
she
more, I think, for her
cute?
in the end.
Oh, she's adorable. Let's pull this off if I can. I want to point out my Truly Me 73. Isn't she cute? I did put the blue on, and I have a Velcro dot, I guess they're called. That's what we used to call them, Velcro dots. I don't want to break this, but I'm kind of heavy-handed, and I'm getting aggravated here. And I'm sick. I'm real sick.
I know, baby. Poor thing. Maybe we should put the toys away.
Here we go. Oh, look at Summer. Oh, look at Summer. Oh, she's really cute. I think she's a dog walker, which is kind of cute because
Does she have pink in her
I'm a
hair?
dog walker. Yeah. Isn't that
That's
cute?
weird. So Anna doesn't have white in her hair,
But this one has pink.
but this one has pink.
Good point. Good point. Yeah, they kind of did the Julie, but they did it on both sides. And it would be cute if it were pulled back like that too. Oh, she's so cute. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you have either of these dolls. If you are in for the sale, are you waiting for the FedEx truck to arrive? And let me know your thoughts. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.